Hey guys, so I really didn't get any footage today because I didn't do anything. I slept until 4. But I had some footage of Thor being a jerk to Odin and Freya. So I did a little video using the music that Vlog and Life, my friend Adam, had a couple days ago that he put up for free. So I'll put a download link to that in the description. But that's what I came up with for today. I hope you guys enjoy. It's actually pretty funny and it's actually pretty cute. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys are having a great long weekend. Bye!